adonainu, morainu, Melech and Moshiach and Redemption. Welcome to the summary of Dvar Malchus. Dvar Malchus at base. The Rebbe and Moshiach Shlit handed out to every single one of the Chassidim. Siman Daled, the fourth Siman. The Rebbe and Moshiach Shlit starts off that we're now standing in Yud Shvat, and we finished learning the Rambam for the third time, and it's also unique this year that we are all finishing learning the Rambam also the first time for those that learn Perkach and one Perk a day. Therefore, we should explain the day of the Rambam. Rebbe Melech and Moshiach Shlit brings the Rambam in the last Perek Yud Beis. He brings over there the order to happen in Mashiach times. It says before Mashiach, before the Mesa Mashiach, there's going to be the war of Gog and Magog, and before then, Iyar Navi will come. Iyar Navi will come, not to purify anybody that's impure, and not to say people that are cheskas kasher, so they're kosher and they're Jewish fully, say it or not to say anything that's mixed between the non-Jews, not the non-Jews, that he's really Jewish. And some opinions say that Mashiach will come not before Gog and Magog, rather not Iyar Navi will come not before Gog and Magog, or Iyar Navi will come right before Mashiach's times. So the Rebbe Melech and Moshiach Shlit is Medaik in the Rambam. Why is the Rambam right? Einay bo. He's not coming. The tide or tamid to say that he is pure, so he is impure. Why is he's not coming? You just say he's not going to. Like it's in other places in the different halacha, or in the Rambam is writing things that Mashiach will not do. The Rambam doesn't write Mashiach will not coming to do this. He just writes Mashiach won't do it. Why have you say that Mashiach is not coming? Einay bo. He's not coming to say if someone's cheskas kashrus or not. And also, why does he write the machlekes in separately? In the beginning, he writes the first opinion that Iyar Navi will come before Melech Gog and Magog. Then he writes what Iyar Navi is coming to do or not do. And then afterwards, in the end, he writes that some people say it will come before Mashiach, before Mesa Mashiach. Should write in the beginning. Some people say before Gog and Magog, some people say before Mesa Mashiach, and then write what he's going to do or not do. Why does he write the machlekes part, first opinion in the beginning and second opinion later on? Rebbe Melech and Moshiach Shlit asked a question that how could there be a machlekes and mitzvahs? How could it be a machlekes argument? What's actually going to happen? It's going to only happen one day. It's a physical thing that's going to happen. It's not a spiritual idea. It's not a criteria. It's not a halacha. It's a mitzvahs. How can you argue about it? And the same question is on the source. The source of this halacha is the last mishnah in Masechta Eduyos. And over there, they brought four opinions what Moshiach is going to do, what Iyar Navi is coming to do. One that says that Iyar Navi is going to, those Yidden that got mixed with non-Jewish people, even though they really are so Jewish, Iyar Navi will bring them close. And the non-Jews that are mixed with the Jewish people, Iyar Navi will push them away. A second opinion is that Iyar Navi will bring back Yidden that were mixed around, but he won't push away any goyim that are mixed between the Yidden. Third opinion is that Iyar Navi will just make all the machlekes, the arguments, and the base madrash make them answer all the questions. And fourth opinion is that Iyar Navi is coming to make peace in the world. Now also over here we have the same question. How could you argue? How can you have a machlekes and mitzvahs? Argue what's actually going to be. You either do this or that. So Rebbe Melech and Moshiach Shlit brings that the Rambam, he writes in the Pirush HaMishnayos, explaining this Mishnah, explains like this. Moshe Rabbeinu taught the Yidden about Mashiach, he told them that a Iyar Navi will come, Iyar Navi will come, and he will remove all the not good things. Yisalik v'yasir hachamosim. Now each one argued, what does it mean? What are these not good things? What is these hamosim that Iyar Navi has to remove? Iyar Navi has to remove. Therefore each opinion has their opinion. But they're all arguing and explaining what Moshe Rabbeinu said. So the Melech and Moshiach Shlit says it. Nevertheless, it's still an argument. Now they're not arguing what Moshe Rabbeinu said, because each one understood Moshe Rabbeinu differently. Nevertheless, it's an argument of what is Iyar Navi going to do. So the Melech and Moshiach Shlit first says that you could, this whole idea of Iyar Navi coming Mashiach's time, is you could look at it in two ways. You could look at it as Iyar Navi coming as a preparation to prepare the Yidden, prepare the world for the Geula. And you could look at it as Eliyahu Navi coming, and he was doing a lot of things. Not necessarily have to do with the Geula, just like nothing have to do with the Geula, just like Eliyahu Navi in his lifetime did many things and nothing to do with Mashiach's times. And the argument is these things that Eliyahu Navi will do, which according to everybody he will do them. What is considered as a preparation for the Geula, and what is just things that Eliyahu Navi will do. Everybody agrees he will do them, but they are not preparation for the Geula. And that's the difference between each opinion. Each opinion says, the first opinion says, like, what is the Navi going to do? Preparation for the Geula is to bring whoever's mixed into the Goyim, push away anyone that's mixed between the Yidden. One opinion is that Eliyahu Navi will only bring back. Pushing away? Yes, Eliyahu Navi will push away, also according to the second opinion, but that is not preparation for the Geula. Preparation for the Geula is to bring him close. Bring Yidden there far away, bring him close. Push away the Goyim. He will do it, but it's not part of the Geula. Third opinion is that he'll make peace between Machlekes. Last opinion is that he'll just bring peace in the world. This is what Rambam writes, Eliyahu Navi is not coming to push away Yidden, push away any Goyim that are mixed in, or bring back an Yidden that are mixed away. Why? Because Rambam can't write Eliyahu Navi will not do it, because it's not true. Eliyahu Navi will do it, but that Eliyahu Navi is coming, and he is coming to prepare the world Yidden for Moshiach. So the Eliyahu Navi will bring back Yidden and push away Goyim. That is not preparation for Moshiach. Therefore, Rambam writes he's not coming to do it. And according to this, we can explain also the order where the Rambam writes. First, Rambam writes the first opinion, that some opinions say that before Melech Gog Magog, Eliyahu Navi will come. And what will he do? He's not coming out to push away, to bring close. And then some opinions say that before Mashiach's time, not the Gog Magog, Eliyahu Navi will come. What does it mean then he will come? Then he will come and do things to prepare the Geula. It means the things listed before, everyone agrees that Eliyahu Navi will be there. But that is not considered Eliyahu is coming for Mashiach. And we can give additional explanation for this. The whole idea of Geula, redemption, it means leaving a time of exile. There's many levels. Just the fact Yidden left Mitzrayim, that Hashem says from them, Yidden are Bnei Chayrin. They are free. It doesn't matter what type of mat to do it, they are free. And I said different people that were free. At the Yehuda Anossi, which he was a friend of the Caesar in Rome, and he had Rashbi, which was in the cave. And Hilda said that they were very high neshamas. That compare that by those neshamas, it's as if there was no churban at all. And also, that when everybody learns Tora or Yud Tefillah, it's a redemption for the Nefesh Elikis. And the Quran gives every single person has a different aspect of Geula. For every single person, this idea of leaving Mitzrayim, leaving boundaries is different. Therefore, their argument about what Eliyahu Navi is coming to do, what is considered as a preparation for the Geula. And this is similar to a different argument there is. The Rambam writes in the first halacha of Pereket Beis that you should not think that when Mashiach will come, there will be changing of the nature of the world, or that all the nevuos are a mashal. The Ravid argues. Ravid says no. There will be things. There will be things of the nature of the world changing. And what's the explanation? Because also the Rambam holds that things will change. The Rambam also holds that it could be that there will be miracles, but that is not the main thing for Mashiach. Mashiach is not coming to do miracles. Therefore, the Rambam writes he won't do miracles. What do I mean? The main thing for Mashiach is not miracles. The miracles, either they will be in a later time of Mesa Mashiach itself, and even if they will be in the beginning, they're not part of it. It's additional thing. There's miracles. And Viratzin, through adding in Torah mitzvahs, like the Rambam writes, you even add even in one mitzvah, especially when you add in Av Yisrael, which Av Yisrael is the day of Achdus, which that nullifies the reason of Galus. That also accomplished the idea of unity, that all the nations of the world will all call out to Hashem. And then you will merit to what says in the end of the Rambam, the whole world will be knowing, will be Asik. That's Hashem, like Rambam also starts off. You say this, that is to know that Hashem is Mamtik Olim, Hashem makes everything exists. Gula mitzvah shlema, adem Moshiach tzedekenu, v'heira v'yameinu mamash. Yechi adonainu, morainu, v'Rabbeinu, Melech, hamoshiach, Eilam.